Shalom, everyone. Welcome to another episode with Bakalib Consulting. And today we are discussing side hustles. Yes, that's right. And I'm not talking about Uber or DoorDash. No, we're talking about the side hustles that can make you at least $3,000 per month from home. From home in 2026. Yes. And as always, praise Yahweh. We start off with a scripture, Proverbs 14:23, and it says, in all labor there's profit, but the talk of the lips tended only to penury. That means don't just talk about it, be about it. Labor, in all labor there's profit. So every little piece of work you do, Yahweh's going to make it profit. And you know what profit is. The side hustle economy is accelerating faster than most people realize. Side hustles really are the future. Many people's side hustles are replacing their 9 to 5, their 8 to 3, and their 7 to 4, or however those work schedule works. People are no longer waiting for permission to build financial stability. They're no longer relying on let me clock in, clock out. That's why the great wealth transfer is happening. In 2026, you're going to see that the successful earners are the one who just have the big money. Successful earners are going to be the one that have the side hustle going. They're coming. They're working with AI and they're doing things. So earning an additional $3,000 per month once required juggling a part-time job. Remember those days? You wanted extra money? You have to get two jobs. You need a part-time job. Not today. AI powered side hustle for small businesses. Here's the thing. Small businesses know they need AI. Yes, these businesses know they need AI, but most of them don't know how. They don't know how to use it efficiently. That's where you come in with your knowledge. You set up practical, straightforward AI systems that save time and increase revenue. Yes, you don't need any technical expertise. You just need communication skills, basic AI literacy, and the ability to translate a business owner goals into prompt and processes. That's it. Small businesses are years beyond the AI adoption. And that's where you come to play as the expert. And that's where you're going to make your millions. Yes, next, the micro expert side hustle offering coaching, teaching, or workshops. Yes, people want access to someone who has done something specific. Like, have you done it before? And you done it and you're successful? All right. If you have done it before and you're successful in it, go ahead and teach it. Former teachers are creating digital products and doing virtual workshops. Industrial professionals offering 1 hour strategy sessions. Whatever you have done before and you have successful at it, teach other people how to be success doing it. You have teenagers teaching adults digital safety skills. College students coaching younger peers on applications and resumes. Look at that. I mean, simple stuff. The experience that you have lived, that's your business, your star power, not your follower count. You think I care about followers? No. What you care about is turning your lived experiences into a business that's successful, that's going to make you money. All right, let's go. Next, number three, the hyper local side hustle with a digital edge. You say, what's that? Well, read on. Premium pet sitting, meal prep services tailored to dietary needs. Yes, we have personal chefs. You get a chef, you tell them, hey, this is my dietary needs because I'm too busy to cook, and they do your meal prep for you. Neighborhood content creation for realtors. A lot of these realtors, they've been in the game for so long, they don't know what to do. You go ahead and you create the content, set up their site online, set up their IG, set up their TikTok, set up their Twitter, home organization or digital detox sessions. You know what that is. You can use AI to do all that, to show you how to organize closets, to show you how to decorate room. Errand running or personal assistant. You can run errands for people or be a personal assistant. You make your own hours. You do your own schedule. Holiday decor setup or seasonal refreshes. Yes, all throughout the communities, even this one where we live, you'll see trucks. They come in and they say, oh, holiday decoration set up. They get paid. These are companies. They get paid to go around and set up people holiday decorations for them, and they get paid to take it down. Look at that. There is business everywhere. These services are familiar and always in demand. AI tools can be used for scheduling these services, messaging clients, invoicing, and marketing. Use these tools to run your side hustle smoothly without significant overhead. Yes, you can use AI to do your scheduling and message back. How convenient is that? The digital product side hustle. Number four, digital product side hustle. Digital products have evolved. Consumers now want micro solutions that solve specific problems instantly. People don't want to wait anymore. Customers are looking for templates, the quick, easy thing. Boom, templates. They want prompts, they want checklists, they want mini guides, short video tutorials. Nobody want to sit and listen to. That's why you see I speed through this and you can go back and read the information. Nobody want to sit and listen to a 10-minute video. They want a quick, fast, hurry right now. This is the age where they're like, look, let's go. They want printable system for families, focus frameworks. Nobody want to sit there and just be like, okay, I have 2 weeks to learn this. No, they're like, I have 2 minutes, I have 20 minutes, I have 2 days. That's what's going on. So instead of a long multitask week, instead of a long week of doing stuff, people want a template that gets them moving today where they can work at their own pace. AI tools now allow creators like you to outline, design, and refine digital products in hours rather than weeks. Imagine taking a week to set something up. Oh gosh, I have a presentation next Tuesday. I have a week to get it done. Nah, today AI is like, you can get it done in 2 minutes. That's the thing. So you got to get with this fast digital world. All right. If you like the content, contact us. If you want success in 2026, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe, subscribe. Praise Yahweh. Thank you. We have 500 subscribers already. Thank you so much. Watch the videos, save it, download it, pause it, watch it at your own pace. Hey, let's make some money moves in 2026. Praise Yahweh. Shalom.